Tiger. The tiger is a big and strong animal. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They live in forests and grasslands. Tigers are very good swimmers. They hunt alone and are very quiet. Tigers can run fast to catch their food. They rest during the day and hunt at the night. Cow. The cow is a large and gentle animal. Cows have big bodies and usually have brown, black, or white fur. They live on farms and in fields. Cow gives us milk, which people drink and use to make cheese. They eat grass and hay. Cows like to be in groups and often graze together. They rest and chew their food slowly. Lion. The lion is a big and strong animal. Lions have thick hair and a loud roar. They live in Africa, mostly in grassy places. Lions can run fast to catch their food. They hunt in groups called prides. Male lions have big, fluffy hair around their heads. Lions sleep during the day and hunt at night. Fox. The fox is a small and clever animal. Foxes have orange fur and a bushy tail. They live in forests, fields, and sometimes near people. Foxes are very fast and can run quickly. They hunt alone and eat small animals, fruits, and insects. Foxes are very quiet and smart when they hunt. They are most active at night. Parrot. The parrot is a bright and colorful bird. Parrots have feathers in many colors like green, blue, and red. They live in tropical forests and can also be pets. Parrots are good at talking and mimicking sounds. They eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Parrots have strong beaks for cracking nuts and climbing. They are very social and like to be around people and other birds. Rooster. The rooster is a colorful bird. Roosters have bright feathers that are red, orange, and sometimes gold. They live on farms and wake people up in the morning with their loud crowing. Roosters have a comb on their head and long tail feathers. They like to walk around and look for food. Roosters protect hens and are often seen with them. They are very active and can be noisy. Duck. The duck is a medium sized bird. Ducks have feathers that can be brown, white, or colorful. They live near ponds, lakes, and rivers. Ducks are good swimmers and have webbed feet to help them paddle. They eat plants, insects, and small fish. Ducks can walk on land, but they prefer to be in the water. They make a quacking sound. Goat. The goat is a small and friendly animal. Goats have short fur and can be many colors. They live in fields, farms, and sometimes in mountains. Goats like to climb and jump on rocks. They eat plants, grass, and sometimes even trees. Goats are curious and like to explore. They are useful for their milk and meat. Camel. The camel is a large and strong animal. Camels have long legs and a hump on their back. They live in deserts where it is very hot. Camels can go a long time without water. They eat plants and can carry heavy loads. Camels are very good at walking on sand. They are important animals for people in the desert. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Skillful Journeys.